It's the Irie Heights. Slew them. We no business of who them, yeah. Selassie I the first. We bless and we no curse. Tell them we pass the worst. We no pump and we no nurse. Anyway, say that one on them. Slew them and bare feelings and carry. Them done poverty and them can't say them sorry, yeah. Slew them and bare feelings and carry. Well, I write I tell them again, say that one and them. Who them a coulda what that them a try. Them this king Selassie watch all and them die, yeah. Who them a me go see them with the spell. This Emmanuel and them soul canna hell, yeah. Who them a coulda who them want cuss. Them this Irie Heights and how them all bite they dust, yeah. Who them a me go tell them fi flirt. Tell them can't this mama earth. You know see a dead man them. Dopey man them no inna not no with them. The fire fi burn them. Don't condemn. Dead man them. Them don't know like when we don't know like them. Irie Heights now keep no funny man friend. Tell them say we now keep no funny girlfriend. Now go stoop to which are the raggy rotten. Now fire ya Irie Heights put it on them nickname. Slew them and their feelings and carry. Them done poverty and them can't say them sorry, yeah. Slew them and their feelings and carry. Well Irie Heights are tell them again. So we burn out them dirty heart. Them evil heart and them corrupted thought. Wine too much ass, snake under grass. Bow to the boss, move too fast. We tell them bout them ras. Who tell them for provoke, they use them to rat. You them say them not just a shot after dark. Not take no check, no full talk. Them know who a come straight from them heart. Know who a hypocrite from the way out them talk. This Irie Heights and what you all of them last. Can't even find food for putting on them. Irie Heights, burn up them bumbo clocks. So that one on them. Slew them and their feelings and carry. Them done poverty and them can't say them sorry, yeah. Slew them and their feelings and carry. Well Irie Heights I tell them Irie Heights I burn them down. Irie Heights I burn them down. All when them come with them gun. Hey, Irie Heights I burn them down. All when them come with them gun. Irie Heights I burn them down. Them full up of deceitful tongue. Hey, Irie Heights I burn them down. Burn them down, we burn them down, we burn them down, we burn them down, we burn them down. We burn them down, we burn them down, we burn them down, we burn them down. Irie Heights now make fun. We burn them down, we burn them down, we burn them down, we burn them down. With them deceitful tongue. We burn them down, we burn them down, we burn them down. Yeah, I would say give thanks. You don't know reggae.fr. You know the something go for the blessing. For the defending of the reggae music since 25 years, don't know. Reggae 24/7, the best music, enough respect, Sasha and the whole crew. You know the thing of the king of fire. Reggae that FR, what am I chat about? King of fire, hurry them up. Equal rights and justice for all, rise and never fall. Boom. So what they gonna do? Well, not for them not true. Them this reggae FR and get slew, yeah. Who do you think you are? We're living in a small world. Small world. As wicked as you think you are, we're living in a small world. Small world. But as you think you are, we're living in a small world. Small world. Tough as you think you are, we're living in a reggae that they far high. That day will come when I shall stand and see all those wicked men in the fire getting burned. That day will come when they will try to escape and they will be nowhere to run. That day will come when I shall see them handing over bombs and bayonets and bullets and guns. That day will come when Emperor Selassie shall rise the whole of the reggae FIU them from the slum, yeah. And that day I would love to see their face for all those who related to the human race and try to take things out of place, run away to space, through them in a ace.